Hi friends, welcome to e-learning studio. Today we are going to study about different borders in Excel and how to use different colors in borders. See, this column having red border, this is having dark border, which is the default border. Again, here it is other border, but which is different than column D. These two columns are also having red border. So a good border is very much required for highlighting some of the values. So let's learn about borders and different types of borders and different colors of borders. Border. Border is a line around a cell or a block of cells in Excel. Generally, cell borders are used to extend a specific section of spreadsheet to make it stand out. For example, you can insert a border to draw attention of viewers to totals or other important data on the sheet. In this Excel, this is already bordered. So I am removing the border. There is no border in this Excel. I am going to select the complete data. Now, this is the shortcut. And I have selected all borders. Now, everything has been bordered. If I want only one column to be bordered, so first what I will do, I will remove the complete borders and select only that column. Now that column has been bordered. This is the default color, that is black color. If I want to change the color of the border, then I'll go to line color. I'm going to change the black color to red color. So I have selected this. Just press escape key. Then again border. Now the black color changed to red color. If I want to change the size, I can do thick outside borders. Like that, I can select any color. I'm going to change the red color to green color. And now this is changed to green color. Like that, there are so many options which are available under the head borders. We can change any line styles. We can change any of these line styles. Can use this one. Thick borders we can use. We can change to any colors which is mentioned here. We can use yellow, can use yellow, but it is not visible because yellow color is not properly visible in the white field. Otherwise, we have to change the background of the Excel, but it is not required. We can draw grids like that, but we have to change the color first. Now thick border is there because we have changed the style to thick border. Now it is this border is selected, thick border. So wherever we draw the lines or grids, thick border will be applicable. I am removing all the borders once again. And applying to another field, another column. Line style, thick border, and line color, darker. See, this looks pretty good. Those columns we want to highlight, we can use in that color. There are so many options available under the head border. We can use bottom border, we can use top border, right border, anything. There are so many more border options are also there. So there are so many options available. Any option we can use. You can use top and double bottom border. Just changing the color of the border again. Thick border and line color, that is dark red. See, these are the options available under the head border. I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel for further updates. Thanks for watching.